Confused by legal jargon? You're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the most important legal terms you need to understand. Maybe you're knee-deep in textbooks already, surrounded by stacks of readings and case studies. The sheer volume of information can feel overwhelming at times. But hang on, what's all this legal jargon? It's like entering a different world with its own set of rules and vocabulary. Let's break down 20 legal words you'll see everywhere. Consider this your essential starter pack. Whether you're a law student, a true crime fan, or just want to sound smarter in debates. This is your legal dictionary, made simple and what they actually mean. We'll cut through the complexity and make these terms easy to understand. First up, 1. Plaintiff. This is a fundamental term you'll encounter constantly. That's just the person who brings a case to court, the one doing the complaining. They're initiating the legal action. On the other side, you've got 2. Defendant. The person being accused or sued, they are the ones responding to the plaintiff's claims. Now, 3. Litigation. Get used to this word, you'll be hearing it a lot. That's simply the process of taking legal action, basically, fighting it out in court. It encompasses everything from filing the initial complaint to the final judgment. 4. Jurisdiction is the power a court has to hear a case. It's all about authority. If the court doesn't have it, your case goes nowhere. Jurisdiction ensures that cases are heard in the appropriate venue. Next, 5. Tort. This one sounds a bit like a dessert, but it's far from it. Funny word, but all it means is a civil wrong. A wrong that causes someone else to suffer loss or harm, like when someone slips on a wet floor and sues the shop. That's a classic example of a tort. 6. Negligence is failing to take proper care, leading to damage or injury. It's a specific type of tort. Think of someone texting while driving. Their lack of attention could easily cause an accident. Then there's 7. Statute. This is where laws are formally written down. That's just a fancy word for a written law passed by Parliament. Statutes form the backbone of our legal system. 8. Precedent refers to previous court decisions. It's the foundation upon which future judgments are built. That judges follow in similar future cases. This ensures consistency and predictability in the application of the law. 9. Affidavit sounds intense. It has a certain air of formality about it, but it's just a written statement sworn to be true. Think of it as your official version of events, under oath. 10. Injunction is when a court orders someone to do, or not do something. It's a powerful tool the court uses to maintain order, like stop building on disputed land. Injunctions are often used to prevent irreparable harm. Let's talk 11. Contract. This is the basis of many business and personal interactions. That's an agreement between parties which the law will enforce. It's a promise that the legal system backs up. Miss a payment on your phone bill? That's a broken contract. Failing to uphold your end of the agreement can have legal consequences. 12. Liability means being legally responsible for something. If you break it, you might have to pay. It's about accountability for your actions. 13. Damages are the money awarded to a person who suffered loss or harm. It's intended to compensate them for what they've been through. Now, 14. Equity. This term has a special meaning in the legal world. Not just a share in a company. In law, it means fairness, a concept that goes beyond strict legal rules. Sometimes the courts will prioritize fairness over strict rules. Equity allows for flexibility and just outcomes in certain situations. 15. Subpoena is a court order demanding you to show up or produce evidence. It's a serious request from the court. Ignore it, and you're in trouble. Failing to comply with a subpoena can lead to serious penalties. 16. Hearsay is secondhand information, what someone heard from someone else. It's not based on direct personal knowledge. Usually not allowed as evidence, because it's considered unreliable. 17. Acquittal means being found not guilty after a trial. It signifies that the prosecution failed to prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt. 18. Conviction is the opposite, being found guilty. It means the prosecution successfully proved their case. 19. Indictment is a formal charge for a serious crime, like in a Crown court. It's the first step in the prosecution of a felony case. And 20. Appeal. That's when you ask a higher court to review a decision you think is wrong. It's a chance to challenge the outcome of a previous trial. Last one, dissent. This highlights the fact that not all legal minds agree. That's when a judge disagrees with the majority's decision and explains why. Dissenting opinions can be very influential in shaping future legal arguments. So there you have it, 20 terms you'll see again and again. These are the building blocks of legal understanding. Master these, and you'll be able to understand law and lawyers better. Let me know if you want part 2. We can delve even deeper into the world of legal terminology. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more legal breakdowns, and drop a comment with the next legal term you'd like explained.